Vimlendu was on the right. Question here is, right, now I've got this word Neta voice here. Don't force me to change it into arrogant voice. The question here is this. Vimlendu, I have a very fundamental question. You know what people are asking now, Vimlendu? Is a minister not likely to be a COVID carrier? Does a minister have a special immunity from the virus? And you know, Vimlendu, Zafar, don't think we are stupid. You said, oh, there are rules. Who wrote the rules, Vimlendu?
Well,
who wrote the rules? Who wrote the rules? Who wrote the rules? Who wrote the rules?
Arnab,
the BJP state government in Maharashtra wrote the rules for the BJP minister coming from Delhi. Vimlendu is on the debate. Vimlendu.
It's a public
no,
health crisis
Vimlendu.
and everyone
Karnataka
is a potential
Karnataka
carrier of coronavirus.
Vimlendu and Vishal.
The audacity that the BJP minister, BJP spokesperson shows right now, saying that
from Nanded to Mumbai, right? You didn't have an issue with that. Are there no hospitals
stop your whataboutery right now. Nobody is doing a whataboutery here. Please understand one thing. Do you understand the severity of the issue?
Why do you politicize the issue? Why politicize
What is political about this? This is about public health. You are not doing this for your own joy. You are actually, when you carry yourself, when you carry your body from Delhi to Bengaluru or from Delhi to Sonipat, you're actually carrying a virus. So if a migrant worker gets beaten up, you guys will be beaten up.
Okay, here's a campaign, viewers. Here's a campaign, Vimlendu. Let's start a campaign. My campaign for tonight is put Union Minister Sadanand Gowda in institutional quarantine. Jitendra Bhargav is on. Jitendra Bhargav, the campaign is put the Union Minister in institutional quarantine because the co-passengers apparently are in institutional quarantine as per the SOP rolled out by the Karnataka government. One man has got an exemption, Jitendra Bhargav. That man got an exemption. When my reporter asks him, when he's coming out, he says, hey, maintain social distancing. Right? When someone asks him, why are you out? Well, I'm a minister. I've got important work. The rest of the passengers are fools. They've got no work. So he calls up the Karnataka government and he says, put out new rules for me. Who do you think you are? Marie Antoinette reborn? This is crazy. This is crazy. You realize that, viewers, do you support my view? Should Sadanand Gowda be put in institutional quarantine? Jitendra Bhargav and Ranjit Keshav are on the debate. Jitendra Bhargav, come on.
Yeah, Arnab, we are all aware that our minister lost all
sensibilities and sensitivity. They are simply not concerned as to what does the public think of their conduct.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.